knows no limits. We power industries worldwide, from agriculture to automobiles, railways to defense, towing assembly parts, construction, and oil and gas industry. We manufacture axles and transmission parts, trailer components, towing assemblies, railway suspension parts, and defense products. With cutting-edge forging and machining facilities, we craft precision-engineered solutions trusted by our loyal customers globally. Exporting excellence to every corner of the world, KNL Group is redefining quality, durability, and performance because we truly know no limits.